Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. You need ZSH installed and a backup of your current // ZSHRC. Once done, choose your framework, OhmyZSH, Presto, or plain ZSH, and install only if missing. You run ZSH version to confirm, then copy // ZSHRC to // ZSHRC, back for safety. Make sure to locate theme directories // OhmyZSH/themes or // zpresto/modules/prompt/functions, so you know where to place or edit theme files. Now, you're ready to pick the theme file to edit or replace. You now install or edit the theme, copy the theme file into the correct theme directory, or clone its repo into // OhmyZSH/custom/themes for persistence, then edit // ZSHRC and set ZSH theme equals theme name. If you use a manual prompt, replace prompt or rprompt entries instead. Once done, source // ZSHRC to apply changes immediately. Alternatively, start a fresh shell or run chshs$, which ZSH if default shell switching is needed. Make sure plugin order and path don't conflict with the theme. You finish by validating the theme in a new terminal window. Confirm colors, prompt segments, and speed. If something breaks, inspect // ZSHRC for syntax errors and ensure the theme file path matches $ZSH/custom/themes or the framework's theme folder. Once done, disable recently added plugins to isolate conflicts and run source // ZSHRC to test. If all else fails, restore your backup with CP // ZSHRC, back // ZSHRC and source it. That reverts quickly and lets you troubleshoot incrementally without losing work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.